You can't move in the city right now without seeing every third person wearing a mask. Coronavirus has definitely made its way here. But what does it all mean? What are the economic impacts of COVID-19, and what is it going to mean for your job search? Darren DeLuca here, and welcome to the Ramblin' Recruiter. Want to find the job of your dreams? Subscribe, click the bell, enable notifications so you never miss a new video again. One thing I know absolutely for certain is this thing is real. People are dying. Thousands are sick, a few have died, and this thing is not just some faraway thing happening in China. It's happening here, right here in America. So what does it mean for the employment market? There's three main factors you have to take into consideration. Number one is manufacturing. Any company that's dependent on China for manufacturing either raw materials or finished goods is in deep trouble right now. Number two, tourism. Tourism just came to a screeching halt. Nobody wants to get on a cruise ship right now. And three is a combination of profit taking and panic selling on Wall Street. Those three factors taken together, we could definitely see a big slowdown. So does that mean that 2020 grads are going to be relegated to mom and dad's basement without any job opportunities? Are things going to come to the same kind of screeching halt they did in 2008, with hiring completely falling apart, mass layoffs, and people out of work all over the place? I don't know. But here's what I do know. If you've got a job, if you're working right now, it's time to hold tight to what you've got. Yeah, you can look and absolutely keep a resume fully prepared and ready to go, just in case the unthinkable happens. But you should be doubling up on your savings as much as possible, and you should be protecting what you've got. Now, if you're not working, if you're looking, or if you're just graduating school, this is one of those unique moments in history where you're just gonna have to accept whatever job is out there. I strongly believe that you'll be better off to be working than not working, even if it's a job that you don't want to do for the rest of your life. Now, if you're looking for some strategies and tactics on how to find a job fast, check out the video I've got linked up here. That'll give you some really good ideas. Even if this is not what you're going to do forever, it's better to be working than not be working. I'm probably going to take a beating in the comments for suggesting that people take whatever job is available to them and to hunker down and try to ride out the storm. Look, I'm not suggesting that we're in for another 2008. I'm not an economics expert. I don't know. I am an expert in the employment market, and when I read stories like United Airlines halts all hiring, I see panic selling on Wall Street, I know where this leads. This typically leads to a downsizing of large-scale proportions. My advice, and this is just my humble opinion, is now is the time to be prepared for the worst, hope for the best, and hunker down and double up on your savings. With any luck, I'll be proven 100% wrong, but given that this is an election year, I don't think so. I think these things tend to take on a momentum all their own, and as we see more companies institute hiring freezes, more panic selling on Wall Street, and such negativity around the current administration, I think there's a very, very real possibility that my original prediction for 2020 is proven correct and that this is a down year, a recession year. So if you're serious about launching a job search and finding that job of your dreams before it's too late to do so, check out the video that's on screen right now. That will give you all the info that you need. And below in the pinned comments, I've left a playlist that will help you along your journey as well. Enjoy the rest of your job searching day. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, stay classy, YouTube. See you next time.